I like free stuff. I'm sure you like free stuff as well. How about searching for real-time award availability for free with Point.me because of the new Point.me and Bilt Rewards partnership? Through the Bilt app, you can now search real-time award availability for 12 different airlines for free and then pick and choose which option will maximize your Bilt points. In this video, I'll show you how this new Point.me and Bilt Rewards partnership works. My name is Max and I help people like you maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It helps out my channel, and let's get started. If you're not familiar with the Bilt MasterCard or Bilt Rewards, it's essentially a credit card that lets you pay rent with your credit card for no fees. Landlords typically charge you 2 to 4% when paying with a credit card, while Bilt MasterCard allows you to pay that same rent without that 2 to 4%, and you earn points that you can use for travel. If you want me to make a video on how Bilt pays people's rents without the 2 to 4%, comment below and let me know. The points you earn from the Bilt MasterCard can be used to pay rent, it can be used to pay for Amazon purchases, or book through the Bilt travel portal, or transfer them to the 12 airline or 2 hotel programs that Bilt partners with. This is where Point.me comes in. If you're not familiar with Point.me, it's a paid subscription service that allows you to search for award availability across dozens of airline loyalty programs. Well, Point.me and Bilt have partnered up, and now you can search for live award availability all within the Bilt Rewards app for all 12 of the airline transfer partners that Bilt points transfers to. No Point.me paid subscription required, no Point.me login required at all. It's all within the Bilt Rewards app. So let me show you how it works. So you go ahead and open the Bilt app and you go to the travel. And from here on the travel portal, you can book through the Bilt travel portal, or you can tap on transfer points. At the top here, it says search one-way award availability across all Bilt transfer partners only. And so you only can search one way for now. And let's go ahead and tap on from, and let's type in LAX to San Francisco. And then let's do February 14th, for example, and hit done. And let's go ahead and hit search. What it's doing right now is searching through all the 12 airline partners that Bilt points transfers to and finding real-time award availability. So it might take a few minutes to populate, and so let's give it a few minutes here to show us all the results. All right, so it's done searching. What I like to do is go sort by lowest to highest, and it tells me the best option is this United flight from Ontario to San Francisco, and I can transfer 6,000 Bilt points to Air Canada Aeroplan. That's one option. There's another United flight. There's a United flight. I can fly on this Alaska Airlines flight, Bilt points, transfer 6,000 Bilt points to Iberia. That's another option. There's another option for another Alaska flight. I'm gonna go with the Air Canada Aeroplan flight, let's say the 6:15 a.m. flight. I can go and click on this. It gives me flight information. I can click on view booking options, and it gives me instructions on how to book. And if I tap on the transfer button, it takes me to this transfer screen all within the Bilt app. And so this is where I can transfer my 6,000 Bilt points over to Air Canada Aeroplan after I enroll and link my account. So it's all super seamless and all within the app, which is really nice that you can search for the real-time award availability, and the transfer button actually takes you to the proper transfer screen. Pretty cool. And so since this is a Bilt and Point.me collaboration, Point.me won't search the other airlines that are not Bilt transfer partners. Point.me actually typically is able to search the 33 different airline programs, but in this case, it's only limited to the 12 Bilt transfer partners. This feature is for active Bilt users, so make sure you update your app and give it a shot. If you don't have the Bilt MasterCard, my affiliate link is down in the description. And if you want the full Point.me subscription version instead of the abbreviated one that's through the Bilt app for free, I have a link down below as well, and using those links helps support my channel. If you want to learn more about Bilt, check out their rent day promos that happen every first of the month, which is coming up soon. And I explain all that in this video. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.